Hey guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members. So guys, today in this video I'm going to give you some walkthrough of this auto dubbing feature of YouTube. So YouTube has recently launched this feature for new videos where videos can be auto dubbed to other languages. Okay, and they're going to enhance it and include even more languages. So this video is from my Hindi channel and you can see in which language it comes.
तो चैनल नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया तो क्या किया दोस्तों, इसी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, पैसे इस चीज के बिल्कुल नहीं लगते। तो दोस्तों
Okay,
आज के इस
so it's
वीडियो
in
में मैं
Hindi.
आपको
But suppose you don't understand and you want to auto dub it, so what you're gonna do, just tap on settings, audio track, you see Hindi original in which it was, you can change it to available. So I go for English US.
So friends, in today's video, I'm basically telling you, for OCIs and NRIs, how to buy property in India without even traveling to India. I'll describe the entire process as I successfully did. Okay?
So as you can see, it was auto dubbed in English. So yeah, this is an excellent feature, but there are certain things. First of all, this is by an AI feature. Okay, it's not manual. So although with the way the time is passing, AI is becoming more and more advanced, so the same is being reflected in the translation too. But there could be certain hiccups, because for a single word there could be multiple meanings, and it also depends with what force you pronounce a word. Even with the force you pronounce a word, its meaning can be something else. So during human translation, a human can easily understand this. Like they can understand if this has been said in with emotions or with something else. But yes, for a machine to do as of today, there could be some issues. Okay, but yes, this is an excellent feature, no doubt, and in most of the cases I have seen, it really helps. And for content creators also, it's really helpful, because if they are create now, their videos can be viewed by viewers who don't know their own language. They are who don't know your language, I apologize. So this will definitely enhance the reach, and now with this you can even reach to wider set of audiences. Okay, and this is really good, and I appreciate having such a feature. So let me know guys if you have watched any video that is being auto dubbed, and once you want to revert back to original, you can again go to settings, audio track, go to original, so you can just flip around between the tracks. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.